Let me show you how we can use the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. In order to set it up, first we need to open the settings, scroll down in here and go to security and privacy. Then look for more security settings, and finally in here we can find the secure folder option. In here we're gonna tap on more and then continue. Now we need to grant some permissions, so of course we need to do so, and then wait for the secure folder to be created. Once it is, then you should have the option to choose the password for the secure folder. So you can choose either pin code, password, or pattern, as you can see over here. And also you can include fingerprints as well. So you can scan your fingerprint and use it to unlock the secure folder. In my case, I'm just gonna use an example pattern over here. Of course, we need to enter our password twice in order to continue. There we go. You can also use your Samsung account to be able to recover the password in the future in case you forget it. So if you want to, of course, you can tap on allow, but it is not really necessary to do so. Now over here we're gonna tap on next. We can choose what should happen when the secure folder is locked. So I'm gonna choose allow background activity. And also we have an information about the fact that you can hide the secure folder. So afterwards, the secure folder is created. We immediately open it over here. If you are looking for the secure folder, you should be able to find it in the app drawer. There we go. Now, the secure folder is pretty much a separated space, individual space that is completely separated from anything that we have outside of the secure folder, which means that everything that you have in here, whether it is apps or files, it is separated. So you can easily duplicate apps, or you can lock apps in the secure folder, or you can just simply install apps inside the secure folder that don't really means that you have to install these apps outside of it as well. So for example, if I want to move let's say Spotify over here to the secure folder, what I can do is I can press this plus button here and I can find Spotify because it is already installed on my phone, and there we go. Then of course we should be able to tap on add, and here it is. Now I can of course open Spotify in here, and also I can find the same app outside of the secure folder just like before, but both of these apps are completely separated, which allows me to, for example, use completely different accounts, or I can just uninstall Spotify from here, so I can have Spotify just inside the secure folder. It's up to you how you want to use it, of course. If I also press this plus button, then at the top we can find the Play Store and Galaxy Store, and whatever I install from the Play Store over here inside the secure folder, then like I mentioned, is going to be installed just in the secure folder, and you will be able to find it only in here, not outside of the secure folder. So if I uninstall Spotify in here, as you can see, it is completely gone, but if I go to the secure folder, I still get it in here. And besides that, if you tap on these three dots on the right side, as you can see, we can even hide apps that we have inside the secure folder. We can lock and exit our secure folder. We can hide the secure folder as well, just like we had the description of it. And also we have some additional options like settings and customization of the appearance of the secure folder, so you can disguise it as something else if that's necessary. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.